Alright, now, so in this video, we're going to go ahead and we're going to work with this link. So we're going to allow the users to view all of the details about this product right here in another page. Alright, so this shouldn't be too hard. The first thing that we're going to do is basically take care of the routes right here. Go to the web, copy this and go down at the bottom and go right here. So I'm going to set some kind of prefix so we can group our routes later, which is the foods right here. All right, so I want to go ahead and I want to go to, let's see, what can we call this exactly? We can call it add the cart, something like that, or that's fine for me. All right, so you can call it whatever that you want, but call it something relevant. All right, so right after this, I want to go to the controllers. So this will head the foods controller. Well, actually, before that, let's hit this folder because the foods controller is in the foods folder. And right after this, I want to head the foods controller right here. And I want to go to this page, which is simply add the cart, or actually, it will be, I don't want to add, well, I don't want to name it add the cart. I want to name it food details right here. Details like that. All right. All right, so let's go ahead right here and make this so it will be food details, and it will hit this function right here in this controller, and we will name it something like food dot details. All right, so just save this, copy this right here. And let's go ahead and work with this. So we should go to the controllers, we should go to the foods, and we should hit this. So I'm just gonna decomment this function. So this will be food details. So this should actually take some kind of ID, because of course every we should grab them dynamically by an ID right here, and we should add this ID like that. All right, so just save. So since we're passing in the ID in the link, we should also pass it in the function. So I'm just gonna go right here, food item, something like that, and I'm gonna go in the food model, and I'm gonna find this. So I'm gonna find this ID. So if we found it, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna return view right here, and we're gonna go to foods, the foods folder, and we're gonna go to food details, food dash details laid. All right, or view. All right, and we're gonna, right after this, we're gonna do the compact function so we can pass in our data. So we can pass in this like that. All right, so just save this, copy this right here. Well, actually, let's go ahead right here and create this first. So I'm gonna go to the resources, and I'm gonna go to views, and right after this I'm gonna create the folder which is foods right here. All right, so just create this blade like that and just add .php. All right, so yeah, so I want to go ahead right here, and I want to include my master template. So we can go to the home right here, and we can go and copy both of those, go right here and paste, and we can end this section. All right, so right after this, I want to go ahead and I want to go to my let's see, add the cart right here, which is simply the details page for this product. All right, so let me go down at the bottom. So there is the nav bar, we do not need this, and there is a part for the background image right here, this div, so we need this one actually. So let me go right here, copy this. This template is kind of weird, but it's looking pretty good. So that's the most important part. All right, so service start right here. All right, so we also need this. And right after that we have the footer. We're not going to include it because this is being included dynamically. And let's paste this whole thing in. All right, so let's save. I want to go ahead right now to the home actually, and I want to go at if we just go to view right here. All right, so there is the view, which is this link simply, which can allow us to access this page dynamically. So we want to go to the part for the href, and we want to put our route right there. So this will be route like that. All right, so let's add our route. So if we go back to the web, and we need the name right here. All right, so this is food that dot details. Let's paste, and of course we need to pass in the ID, so we need to go food ID like that. And also we need to do this for the rest of these right here. All right, so let's paste this also. Let's go down at the bottom, add the dinner right here, as you can see, and let's also post it like that. All right, so just save. Well, actually this will be dinner food, and also this will be lunch food, not just food, right? So just save. All right, so as you can see, if we simply hover over this, you can see right here that we're going to foods/food details. If you look down at the bottom left, and we're going to slash the ID of 1, and if we also go right here, you can see /2. If we go right here, you can see /3. So everything is being picked up dynamically. So let's open this up in another page right here. So we should actually see this page like that. All right, so we should customize it right now and make everything dynamic. So let's go to the food details right here. So first of all, we need to go right here at this part, and we need to add the style. All right, so let me add the style right here. All right, so there it is. Copy, go right here and paste. All right, so right after this, this is the chicken wings. This is the image first, so we need to do the image first right here. So we're just gonna go simply, if we go back to the foods controller, let's pick up food item right here, and we're gonna just simply just display the image. Well, actually before that I forgot the asset right here, so we will go to assets /image right here. We're gonna go to slash, and we're gonna concatenate this right here. So just cut this whole thing right here, and let's paste this in. All right, so let's copy this right now. Well, why am I writing this image, this E right here? All right, so right after this we have the title, paste, and this right here is just title like that. All right, and of course we have the description, so you just remove this right here, and let's remove this also, paste like that. All right, so if we go back to the home, go back down at the bottom, I want the line that's simply just displaying a part for the image, which is the sub str right here. All right, so we're gonna go sub str, and if we simply just go ahead right here, and I'm gonna start from 0. Well, actually we do not need it. We do not need it actually. We're gonna display the whole description of the product. All right, so this will be just description. This is what the details page is for displaying all the details about the product. All right, so paste this in also. This will be the price, price like that. So all right, and right after this we have this button, which is simply gonna allow us to add this to the cart. So we're not gonna work with it for now, so just save this. All right, so as you can see, the space right here is gone, and as you can see it says cart, and as you can see we can actually see our product right here. Here is the image, and here is the price, and here is the description for it. Everything looks perfect right here. So as you can see right here, we're displaying the title, but the title is not being displayed right here. All right, this is yeah, this is the design, right? So don't get this is the design that, you know, the code that I just gave you. So don't get confused. All right, so possibly we did something wrong with the title right here. So, you know, looks like that this word title is stuck in my head. So if we just keep it name, as you can see, we should actually display the name of this product right here. And even we can try this with something like chicken burger, something like that. And as you can see, we will see this dynamically chicken burger, just like that. And we can also do it for the pizza. You know, you get simply, you get the idea. All right, everything is being pulled dynamically right here. So the image is messed up a little, but you can put your own image, you know, if you want to. All right, so this will be everything for this video, and I will see you on the next one.